First up, breaking news, the latest on the controversy over Tipu Sultan and the celebrations of his birth anniversary. Now, the Tipu war has reached Delhi. The Hindu Sena have protested against Tipu Sultan. In fact, massive protests are taking place at Jantar Mantar. VHP, if you remember, has already called for a statewide bandh in Karnataka, protesting against Chief Minister Siddaramaia's decision to mark the birth celebrations of Tipu Sultan, the 18th century king. Anindya Banerjee joins us for more on this. So Anindya, if you could just tell us a little bit more about this demonstration that is being led by VHP activists at Jantar Mantar.
This is not organized by VHP. This is a group that's called the Hindu Sena that organized the protest. But I asked them very categorically that why are you protesting, considering the fact that the issue is of Karnataka. They said that maybe the issue is of Karnataka, but the fact of the matter is that the person who is being celebrated has allegedly been anti-Hindu, and that's what they can't take. His anniversary is being celebrated in a grand manner that is being celebrated the way in the state of Karnataka. That's why people gathered there, burned posters of the faces of the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah. They've also threatened that if the state government doesn't tone down the way the celebration is being done right now, they'll protest outside Karnataka government as well. They've also threatened that as a counter, they will celebrate the death anniversary of Nathuram Godse. Remember, today is 13 and a couple of days from now, 15th is the death anniversary of Nathuram Godse. So that will be another flashpoint when people will raise question and legitimately so. So let's see that how it pans out in the days to come.
Okay, Anindya, we'll also just show our viewers, what you were able to gather when you reached the spot and saw the demonstrators who were protesting against the celebrations of Tipu Sultan that took place in Karnataka, a decision that was taken by the state government.
We are at Jantar Mantar, where a friends group called Hindu Sena is protesting against the Tipu Jayanti that has been celebrated across the state of Karnataka. And here you have the photos of Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, which has been burned here. And they have been raising slogans saying that Tipu Sultan has been someone that, according to them, has been a person who has walked against the interests of Hindus, and that's why there's no reason that his birth anniversary should be celebrated. And they have been demanding that this should be stopped with immediate effect, and that's why you see this kind of things happening, a protest happening here at Jantar Mantar of Delhi. आप ये बताइए कि आप लोग किस लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आपको क्या मिलेगा इससे?
ये जो हिंदुओं की भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचाया जा रहा है, कर्नाटक सरकार जो जिस तरह से ये टीपू सुल्तान की जयंती मना रही है, वो हम अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त करना चाहते हैं कि हम इसके खिलाफ हैं। हम टीपू सुल्तान के खिलाफ इसलिए क्योंकि उसकी वजह से हजारों पंडितों ने, हम विद्वानों ने अपना आत्मदाह करा था, क्योंकि वो उनको जबरदस्ती मुसलमान बनाना चाहता था।
उनका कहना है कि वो बहुत बड़े पेट्रियट थे, वो बहुत बड़े नेशनलिस्ट थे।
कहने को तो उनको कुछ भी कह दो, लेकिन जो सच्चाई है वो सच्चाई है।
एक बात बताइए, ये कर्नाटक की राजनीति, आप इसको दिल्ली में क्यों ला रहे हैं?
देखिए, कर्नाटक की राजनीति हमारी आस्था के साथ खेला जा रहा है इसके, और ये हिंदुज्म को, हिंदुत्व को, हमारे देवी देवताओं को ये राजनीतिक स्टंट क्यों बनाते हैं?
आगे आपका स्टैंड क्या होगा? आप आगे कहाँ प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे?
देखिए, जो हमारे राष्ट्र के खिलाफ, हमारे राष्ट्रवादियों के खिलाफ और जो हमारे देश के खिलाफ कर्नाटक भवन या चाहे कोई भी सरकार हो, अगर हमारी आस्थाओं के साथ खेलेगी तो हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करने वाले, और इसकी गूंज बहुत दूर तक जाएगी।
तो आप लोग कहाँ प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले इसके आगे?
देखिए, कर्नाटक भवन को भी हम के आगे भी करेंगे अगर ये लोग नहीं माने तो।
अच्छा, ये कुछ आप लोग ये भी बोल रहे थे कि आप लोग इसके काउंटर में नाथुराम गोडसे की डेथ एनिवर्सरी मनाएंगे, ये कुछ सच है इसमें?
बिल्कुल मनाएंगे। आज तक हमारे जितने भी भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, इन लोगों को कांग्रेसियों ने आज तक आतंकवादी घोषित किया हुआ है। अगर ये टीपू सुल्तान अगर अच्छा आदमी था तो ये बुरे आदमी नहीं थे। सरकार अपने बचाव में कुछ भी कर देती है अपने वोट बैंक के लिए। आज इन्होंने टीपू सुल्तान की जयंती बनाई है।
Somebody, a person who has died centuries ago, has polarized the entire state of Karnataka, and right now that politics has come to the streets of Delhi even, and here that is determining that who will come to the assembly election next time, because the entire state of Karnataka is divided on two sides over the issue of celebrating Tipu Sultan Jayanti. In New Delhi with Satinder Bhati on Anindya Banerjee for India Today.
Nisagama मनी प म ग नी प म नी प म ग स नी प म नी स प स। जहाँ तक याद आती रहेगी